I'm going to show you how to get GameMaker Studio 2 for free, absolutely free. I'm gonna provide you with a crack and obviously how to crack the application and as well every step you need to do. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna have the links in the description so you can download both of these, which are both needed. So when you download both of them, extract this. It's gonna be on a zip file and then extract it to whatever you want. It's gonna have these 3 files inside the folder, actually 2 files and then the crack as well. So all you have to do first is to open up the installer and you go through the installer. It's pretty easy actually. You install it wherever you want, but you have to remember where that is because it's needed later in the tutorial. Click install, wait for it to install. Also, this video was heavily requested by you guys, that's why I'm doing it, and many of you might get stuck somewhere. Don't be afraid to ask me in the comments down below. Okay, so when it finishes, click next, and then finish. When it finishes, right click on the taskbar, click on task manager and delete, click on GameMaker Studio 2 and press end task. Alright, with that out of the way, you need to go to the crack folder, open the files, and then copy ide.dll plus core plugins.dll. Copy them to wherever you installed GameMaker. For me, that's this PC local program files in GameMaker Studio 2. Paste them in here and make sure to replace. Continue. Go back to the folder. Go to crack. del-asm.bat. Right click. Run as administrator. Click yes, of course. It's gonna show you this. If it doesn't, if it tells you file not specified or something like that, I don't remember, be sure to check the comments on my other video because I'm not sure how to fix that. Some people have found some other ways, but yeah, press any key to continue. Go back. Alright, now you shouldn't open GameMaker Studio yet. Close that folder. Now open Fiddler Setup, click I agree, and then wherever you want, install it. Go to the Windows search bar and then search for Fiddler. There we go, Fiddler 4. It's gonna open up over here. You can click on cancel, it doesn't matter. Then open up GameMaker Studio 2. Alright, here it is. Now open Fiddler again and then head on over to Tools, Options, HTTPS, and then decrypt HTTPS. Click on yes again. And yes as well, and we're good to go. Press OK. Now search for gms.yoyogames.com/update-win.rss, that thing over here. Click on it and then click on inspectors. After that, click on text view and copy the whole thing over here. Copy all of it. Control C. Minimize the tab, this as well, and right click on your desktop, new, and then text document. Delete the name completely. Name it gms-xml.rss. Click on yes. It's gonna prompt you to change the file type. Click on open with and open it with Notepad. Where is it? Notepad. Okay. Here is the Notepad file. Then paste whatever you copied in Fiddler. Paste it over here. Now make sure you're in the Notepad. You've clicked on it, then press Ctrl H, select all of them, and then paste the code that I'm gonna have in the description. Paste it, and it's gonna probably look like this. Yeah, only this. Save this file, click on File, and then Save. Close it. Go to Fiddler, click on the autoresponder tab over here. Click on Enable Rules, and then add a rule. It's gonna show you this, exactly like this. And then on the bottom, over here, click on this arrow over here, then find a file and find the text file that you just created. I found it right here. Double click and there you go, and then click on save. Now open up GameMaker Studio 2. You're gonna get license has expired, then close it and go to Fiddler, go to Fiddler script, then this over here, the arrow, and click on before request. It's gonna take you to this over here. Also, if you can't connect to the internet from your internet browser, go to autoresponder and then click on must request pass through. That's probably gonna fix it. If it doesn't, Then I'm gonna leave a link to the description about how you can fix that. There are multiple ways. So yeah, follow that tutorial if you don't know if you can connect to the internet. Now you need to go to the description again and copy the text that I have, but the second text, not the first. And under this, go to the end of the bracket, click on enter twice, and then paste the code. Make sure that the second version, matches with the current version of GameMaker Studio 2. Right now, at the time of uploading, it's 2.1.5.322. So let's change that, 0.322. That's it. And go to Save Script. Now it should be over. Open up GameMaker Studio 2 once again. Session not found. Retry. You have to log in. You have to make an account on yoyogames.com. Log in with your credentials. And here we go. There we go. Installing runtime. You have to wait for the runtime to install. Top right, it says installing. When it finishes that bar, I'm gonna show you what to do. Alright, now that it's done, you can close GameMaker Studio 2. Minimize Fiddler as well. Open up the GameMaker Studio 2 folder over here with a crack. Open the crack folder, files, and then copy igor.exe plus gmassetcompiler.exe, the two exe files. Copy them, Control-C, to this PC, local disk, and then program data. If you can't see program data, then over here, if you have Windows 10, go over here to View, Options, View, and then Show Hidden Folders, Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply, OK. Then you should be able to see program data. If you don't have Windows 10, then you can search it on Google how to see hidden folders. It's pretty easy. Go to program data, GameMaker Studio 2, cache, runtime 2.1.4.200. Go to bin and paste the two files over here. And now you should be good to go. You can export your games with GameMaker Studio 2 with the crack. You can export your games to platforms other than Windows. You can, as you can see, you can export to PS4, Android, iOS, macOS, everything that you see over here. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you have any problems. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload videos.